get here.
Okay, I'm good.
Come on, I'm here.
I'm going.
That's
oh,
me.
Fuck, the guy.
Quick, fix this wheel, fix this wheel right here.
I thought it was the guy.
I'll cover you. Just walk up to it, quickly! Where are you? Just walk up to it.
Okay, I'm there.
No, there's a zombie on you, oh god.
Oh, couch got that, couch.
Quickly, I've got the zombies. Quickly, do it!
What do I do? I can't do.
Scroll!
I don't get it. Tell me. Explain.
Oh my god, man.
Just getting back. So I've never done this before.
Then drop the fucking wheel and aggro the zombies.
Okay, how do I
fucking run at them? Actually, I'm gonna...
Okay,
Fully aggro them, just run at them. Make sure they're not on me. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I'm bleeding.
Oh, fuck, why can't I pick up the wheel? Just run.
Just
Where's the wheel gone? Have I got the wheel?
I'm running on the bus.
Yes, I got the wheel.
Running around the bus. Here we go. I'm running around the bus.
Yeah, I know, that had a joke upon you. You fucking hit me!
Running around the bus. I want to jump again.
Right. Why won't you let me fix the wheel?
Hurry.
What the fuck?
You see what I was on about now. You see what I was on about.
Okay, I can fix it, hang on. Just to come around the other side.
Hurry up, I'm bleeding. Hurry.
Okay, I'm getting in and drive it.
I'm in the bus. I'm not in the driver's seat.
Where are you, Ollie, by the way?
I'm up the hill.
Oh, well!
If
you want to go out and get it, be my guest. Yeah, sorry, I'm lagging.
Stop.
Get out, quickly! Go. Maybe bandage yourself as well if you want. Or not.
Not gonna lie, you guys best hurry up, I think people are near it.
Yeah, I know, someone said it there, go. I'm gonna say a bit. You got a gun on it? No. Okay, get him. Okay. I lag, just saying. Kill him. Yeah.
As we approaching, get out and refuel them.
Okay. Park the bus at the back. Park the bus at the back now, not push up the cover. Oh, fuck, I killed him. In case it's like... I killed him. Okay, in case it's
no,
like...
get out now, just run.
The helicopter. Park it at the back of the...
Oh shit. Oh god.
I'm dead. Oh, I should've
That wouldn't help very much.
Come on.
He does not want us to get in this helicopter right now.
You'd have cover when you fuel.
Oh fuck, it hit me.
Yeah, that's a guy who's come a minute ago.
Maybe.
I don't know, I died while I was in the bus. I don't know where it went.
No, it's on the side I didn't want it.
Which side of it? Was it the back side?
Yeah, bus sniped.
I'll go to the shore and spawn up to it that way. Okay. You just need to draw the fire and hope to God they miss, so then all you can...
Oh god, shots!
Hope. They've had such a good shot. They've had such a good shot so far.
Do you know where that is, Ollie? Should I keep running? I've ducked behind the hill. That was, I don't think that was after me though.
Keep going.
I just ducked behind the hill.
No, it was Chris.
Yeah, that Chris definitely isn't get that's definitely isn't one of them. Probably everyone's running to him, but they know the snipers are not. Oh well. You all defeat the snipers.
Okay, he'll probably be able to see me now.
Maybe it's straight now.
If you can see me, he's not on the left side of the hill facing towards the sea because that's completely obstructed. He'd have to either be actually on the hill or on the right side.
Oh, I'm actually glitching. I just find a dumb way to kill me, Jesus.
How's like the helicopter move?
So I
It
just
looks
find
like
a
it's
dumb way
slan round a bit.
I'm free.
No,
There's someone in them over.
yeah, it's only span
Maybe
round.
some-
The tail is facing towards the hill
So I
now.
can just spin it around, it's going to take off. Someone's still probably in the driver's seat, by the way.
Someone's still in the driver's seat. Does it really? Bye bye, I'm offline. Yeah, like shit, you're offline.
Let me get out and shoot you. Actually, no, let me get out and get shot.
Fail, troll is a fail. I don't know how he hasn't seen me. He must be on the left side.
He's still online. Dead. Good.
I am recording it.
Just record it, Chris. Please record it when you crash it into someone.
Wait.
I don't care if I'm not there because I can see it when you record it.
Wait, let me come.
Yes,
I'm coming.
Yes, Joey can on my body as well. Okay, it's gonna be fucking quick. Oh god. Yeah, Ollie, get here
Mike,
quick.
see if he comes back
I
in line.
As soon as I refuel, I'm getting in and
Wait, my
driving
screen just broke, so I'm gonna fix it. You got me?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm in it. Quickly, get here. Ollie, get here quickly, very quickly.
Mike, you looking or what?
You're taking your time.
I'm coming. I'm walking down the hill. Yeah,
See
because
you.
Oh
Oh shit, yeah, I see you. Come on. Come on. This thing's got shit or fuel in it.
Where we died.
No, because then it'll... No, because then it'll use up fuel.
Start spinning up the blades. Go.
Just get here fucking quick. There's so many dead. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come
away
on.
from it.
I'm not going yet. Okay.
Go. Go, start spinning up the blades. Go.
Quick, get in it. Quick, get in it. Quick. It's gonna lift off in a sec. Get in it.
Hold on.
Shoot.
Get in it, you mother.
Oh, you're shooting the bus. Bro.
Why is it lifting off? Come on, lift off. Mike, where are you, by the way?
My deadly crashed before I because my deadly screen. No, it's fly around.
Oh my god.
Fly around shooting them.
This is insane. Oh my god.
Burn up a cherno. Oh god, our fuel is so low. Let's see how high we can get. Let's see if we can glide it. Just shoot, just keep shooting.
Okay, it's working.
No, we didn't shoot the bus.
Did you not shoot the bus?
Mike, you should get in the bus and just drive that round. See how high we can get before we start collapsing. You do get a parachute. Oh yeah, you get a parachute! Just jump, when you just jump out, when you just jump out, you just get a parachute.
What's the button?
Jet.
Let's head over to Elektro now. Oh my god, this is the one time I've got a helicopter. This is amazing. Where are you, Mike?
I want to put Elektro, I want to feel it. I'm towards you.
This is amazing, man.
My screen died again.
This fuel is holding out.
This is... whoa. No! We're just gonna die.
First person's quite cool. Wow. Ollie, do you want to skydive out and get to the bus? Alright then.
No.
This is it's about to like go, so literally. Okay, we got to jump out. Ejecting!
Crash it, cherno, crash it in Elektro, I mean. Crash it in Elektro.
Oh god, look at the helicopter! Oh god, it's gonna hit me! Oh my god, wait, look at it, look at it! Oh my
god. Best thing, you.
Oh,
Best thing
I've been
ever.
recording this whole time since we joined the server, so...
It's amazing.
Oh, wow.
Amazing. I'm parachuting down.
Wow, that was...
This is insane.
Oh my god, look what you know!
Oh god, my parachute's fucking up.
Yeah, I haven't. No, loot these bodies. Loot, there's shitloads
I'm
of
fine,
bodies
don't
over
worry.
here, Ollie. All with
Let's do
gear.
this. Get in the bus.
Come over here. Just loot stuff. Watch out, Ollie! Watch out!
Oh, you.
So, Mike, where are you, by the way?
Don't know where
Ah, that's useful.
Go.
I'm on Hugstone.
Yeah.
So just be like, no,
Also
we
need some
got
scrap metal
the
as well.
heli and the bus.
So, you might want to pick that up.
Oh.
Don't tell him we got the bus.
Be like, oh, we got definitely the bus.
Oh god, my fingers froze.
They come off you anyway, so you see that. Not the hug. It's gonna run on. Just dying 20
God, just wait for them to go like, noobs, should let me have the helicopter. See, told you. Yep.
That shooty ghost is getting really bad. Keep going like 5
Here we go. Let's try and refuel here.
Wait, characters really.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh god, why is the camera all weird? What the fuck?
Oh my god, you fuck.
Come on, why are my wheels moving? Oh, my camera. Whoa! What the fuck's up with this bus?
Yes, so we're gonna get killed. Oh,
This bus is really weird. Oh, there we go.
I see a guy who's like,
What's going on with this bus? Holy shit, it keeps moving to the... Yeah, we picked them up. I've had an FN foul.
was already
That's
guns.
like a weapon you only get from shooting crash
I
sites.
didn't.
There wasn't much on the others, there's mostly noob gear on the others.
All of them are on. Still gun.
Really
Guy
slow,
like,
yeah.
trying to get that as well. I see the cartel helicopter. Yeah, look.
hold on, Chris, as we go through Electro.
Oh god! Okay Mike, we're not stopping if we see you.
The helicopter run back.
Oh god! Oh god, I got hit!
No, they took out a wheel!
Keep fucking the horn!
Abandoned ship, abandoned ship!
Don't worry!
You're dead. Oh.
Get the grenade! Hey, I've got a grenade!
Oh god!
I guess that's what happened. You found out what happens. You found out what happens when you drive a bus or electro and fuck more.
I think I just fucked that bus up now. You died?
I think you fucked me up, I got hit by something. I died.
You died.
Can we find these guys?
Yeah!
No, you ran in another direction. Oh god, the bus is fucked
I
up.
did run past you, didn't I, Chris? Oh, there was a guy right next to me. I thought it was you, so I didn't shoot him. So he shot me.
From the cow. From the cow. I don't know.
Oh god. The bus was getting rattled.
Is that where you were? Oh my
With
god.
everything.
You must have gone past
Now
me.
I'm by like the 20 dead bodies from the helicopter.
Yes!
Come past me.
Mike,
You
get
can
your
pass
friggin'
helicopter, right?
terminology right, holy
Oh,
shit.
he was the other way. He was the other way.
What?
He was in Cherno,
What?
not Elektro.
I was in neither. I was in Cape Galova.
You weren't, because Cape Galova was where the helicopter was.
Yeah, I'm already filling by with a helicopter with you, Todd.
Yeah, but where did you spawn?
Cape Globe.
Oh, did you get killed? Like 2
I'm trying
seconds
to
ago?
find this guy now. I've got 3 rounds left.
No, I'm still.
I'm a bit confused. Then
No, someone ran to the
I
firehouse.
I thought it was you, Chris, like right next to me, but it wasn't. It was that guy. He's just shot me, I suppose.
Jesus.
Well, you got a double barreled if someone who died here. Oh yeah, that's my double barreled.
Lol.
I'm hoping they go out. The guy who's in here goes out to the bus. Oh shit!
Yeah,
Oh,
so
shooting at
funny.
me.
Someone took the macro off. What?
Yeah, but I'm thinking he might go for the bodies.
Did you not just throw a grenade at the bus? Oh,
Oh
okay.
shit! I see him. He's on top of the.
Did not blow up. Issue.
Oh shit! I've got a revolver left now.
Avenge me, Chris. Avenge
Oh,
me.
and a fucking freeze. Yeah, that's great. Just freeze when I'm out in the open.
But yeah, I ran past a guy, and he had a check backpack, which you didn't, so I guess I should have realised that. But he had like an AK, and I was like, oh, I thought that was Chris, because I thought you ran in the same direction I did. And I was like, oh, lol.
Turn around and shot you.
Oh great! Someone else behind me.
Just turned around and shot me as I had his back to him, because I was running away, because I thought it was Chris. So I had my back to him.
There's this guy on top of the firehouse. I don't know where he's going.
I thought it spawned in elektro.
He's still up there, cause yeah, I can see his gun protruding out. There's a guy with a shotgun behind me somewhere. Yeah, you did.
I'm gonna run towards elektro.
Same. Oh, I still want to see that the video though. If you have fun helicopter.
Chris will upload it sometime. Brilliant. It's so cool flying the helicopter. I just made the death fine.
Oh
Didn't
shit!
care
I
about
think I hit
dying.
him.
Just helicopter man.
Oh, I got off hit him then. You shit! Come on, I've got 1 round left, or 2 actually. He's such a poor shot. Yes, I got him in the head. He must be dead now. Yes! I killed him! Bitch! Please.
If he doesn't die. Deja.
That was that guy that kept killing you by that kept killing us by the
This dude just
hospital.
ran past me. Yeah, you're newly spawned.